Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thanks to all of my returning viewers, my family. You know I appreciate you and I love you so much. And to my new subscribers, hey, I see you as well. You have been rocking my videos. Thank you. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if you like what you see when you finish watching this video, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and you can become a part of the Precious family as well. So guys, I have a special treat for you today. My husband, he came along with me and he decorated. Okay? He decorated this room. So if you want to see what he did, just keep watching. Here guys, my husband, he is removing the current items from the bed and he's getting ready to open up the package of the new comforter set that he purchased. And he chose that particular comforter set. Okay, now he has already taken out the sheets and he's spreading the sheets over the bed. And you see me coming in right there, helping him fold that sheet as he lifts the mattress. Okay guys, we are finally done. And now it is time for the reveal. So if you're ready, and this is all of my husband doing, he decided that he wants to join in and help me decorate this room. So I just sit back and I let him took the wheel, baby. Whenever a man say he wants to help, ladies, get out of the way. Let your man do what he knows to do best. So here is the reveal. You ready? Let's reveal what he done. Ta-da! That's my husband, baby. Yes. And I tell you that if you don't have a man that knows how to make a bed and wash dishes, honey, run. If you meet a guy, single ladies, and you ask him if he can wash dishes and make a bed, and if he says no, run. Hey, guys, I'm just having fun with you. Okay, but here's my husband. And for you that think he did a good job, go ahead on and comment below and let me know if he did a good job decorating this bed. As you know, I taught him well. Guys, let me tell you what my husband told me. As he was making this bed, he said, since they see me helping you, your channel is going to blow up. So I said, well, okay. So he figured since he did this bedroom, that my channel is going to blow up. So guys, what do you think? So, you know what I told him? I told him that, you know, since he's saying my channel is going to blow up because he did this room, I told him, get your own channel and start it. Start that from ground up and let me see your channel blow up. So anyway, I just want to share that with you because in his head, he thinking that because he did this bedroom, that my channel is going to just blow up. I'm going to get all kind of views. And that would be great, you know. So if that happens, that's great. Okay. Okay, so we are going to go ahead on and try to tell you about these pieces here. I will let him do it, but I don't think he wants to do this part. So on this nightstand here, he has a vase, got his little blue floral arrangement in it, and he got his candle here, got that all smelling good. Okay, and he got his little bird right there. All right, so he got his lamp right there. And I like these lamps. These are crystal lamps. All right, so, and right here he went and he purchased his rug. I think he got this from Ross. And I think he did a pretty good job matching that up. Look at the colors in that, and look at the comforter set that he purchased. All right, and just to show you what he did here, here go his pillows that he put on. Okay, and here he puts his throw on. Well, this is really not a throw, but he's using it for a throw here. Okay, and also his comforter. And I like that, guys. He picked all of this out. Okay, everything he picked it out. So I like the comforter that he picked out. Went out and purchased. It's reversible, and I like the colors, the detail in it, and it's kind of thick. And it has the matching bed skirt. Okay, so I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm not mad at him. Okay, moving right along here. He has this mirror tray here. Got the blue arrangement in the DIY that I did. These pieces here are DIY, and this is a little jewelry case that my son purchased me for Mother's Day. And here he has the blue LED candles sitting on these mirror sconces here, along with this book, decorative book. Okay, and let's go directly over the bed. The two matching pictures. It has the sconce in the center, and here he has two of the sconces, one on each side. And on this side, he has another matching vase with the floral in it, and he has the candle and the matching bird, and he has a floor lamp matching the table lamp on the other side. Now guys, I wish that I had got two nightstands. This store was closing down. They were not ordering anything else, and I think they only had one nightstand, because I wouldn't have just purchased one nightstand. That's not me. And guys, I believe we are done. Oh, he also chose and purchased the curtains as well. So a quick pan around and we are done. Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and if you have not subscribed, go ahead on and hit the subscribe button, and you will become a part of the Precious family. Hit the notification bell and you'll know each time when I upload another video. So guys, I'm going to sound off, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.